Hans Matrix3D M720 metal 3D printing equipment demonstration. The equipment powder supply system is stable and efficient, using the form of upper and lower powder while cooperating, with dual scraper bidirectional powder spreading, which can achieve more efficient printing needs. The maximum molding size of this device is 710mm*, 350mm*, 300mm, can meet the efficient printing needs of shoe molds, large aerospace components, and large complex molds. The equipment is equipped with a single row for head laser, which can print for products at the same time, making it more efficient and intelligent, further improving production efficiency. It is also equipped with a fully open process data package, which facilitates secondary development of the process. At the same time, it is equipped with a safe, stable, and efficient independent circulation purification system, ensuring that the entire printing process is safer and more efficient. It is also convenient for subsequent processes such as powder cleaning, sandblasting, and polishing to proceed smoothly.